Hello, viewers. It is I again, forgetful expert slash HumorExplosion, depending on what you know me by. I am on my new laptop now. It is a Lenovo IdeaPad 750 gigabyte hard drive, 7200 RPM on the same hard drive. Really nice webcam with facial recognition for things like logging in. This is one of my best friends, Patrick Rainville.
Hi, I'm kind of sleepy.
He's not really sleepy. He's just.
I will be soon.
He will be, I guess. I'm home for Labor Day weekend, so you guys are seeing me in my natural habitat. Okay, my unnatural habitat. I'm used to college now. And Stacy's
no, it's your
not here.
natural habitat because I'm here now.
I guess so. I'm like in pieces right now because I miss Stacy and Sean.
Wherever
and then all
I
my
am,
dorm
that's
people.
where your natural habitat's at.
Stop. But
It's true, though.
we're just doing
Other
our.
than with Stacy.
Other than with Stacy, we're just doing my little update for tonight.
Stacy's mom got it going on. All right.
I should take this upstairs because my battery's low. You should just come up here and leave your phone down here for a minute. Patrick is such a sucker. Come on, dude. So much authority. What? This is my room. Plugging my baby in. As my battery's low. Yeah, it's kind of cool. You know, there's my Boulevard of Broken Dreams sign in my. Yep, my room is. Patrick's kind of shocked because my room is clean right now. Those are all my Sobies.
Whoa.
What? You can see the floor.
I didn't know there was such a thing.
Shut the door. There's a charger right there. Anyway, it's not as cool as it usually is. This technically isn't a dorm life update because I'm at home. Oh, my backlight turned on. My forward lighting is working fantastically, as you can see. But yeah, I'm just gonna mess around with some of my effects right now. Because with the Lenovo laptops, you get a thing called UCam. I can do awesome stuff like this. Let's see.
My dick.
My family watches this, Patrick. Check that out. I'm on all these TV screens. Now I'm in space. No, I don't have a control top. Now I'm in a tunnel. Now I am a Rubik's Cube. My favorite one, however, is this one. I am going to pick you up, little creatures. Cleaning my windows. That's my operating. Patrick, Windows is my operating system, and they're cleaning it. But anyway, I know, right? But anyway, this thing's pretty awesome. This new laptop. I got things like sadness. I can express my emotions, things like that.
I kind of like your room like this. It feels like we're actually in a room rather
than a post-apocalyptic wasteland.
Yeah.
Wait, say it again.
Yeah. Yeah.
You messed it up.
Yeah. I'm still going. Do it again.
Just
Do it again. Yeah. No. Yeah. No. Yeah. Yeah.
yeah. Yeah. Getting my pizza.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Wow.
Wow. Well, that's one of my favorites because I do that a lot. I don't know how I feel about that one.
It made me think of the game Bomberman.
That was awkward.
I think you should introduce
Who?
Harry the Polar Bear.
That's not Harry the Polar Bear.
Who is it?
Klondike.
Introduce Klondike.
This is Klondike, my school's mascot. It's a polar bear. My mom got it for me.
What would you do for Klondike for?
That was a joke. That was a joke I set off the camera. It was slightly explicit. I'm having a bad day, can you tell? This is so fun. They thought I was hot-headed. I love this one, though. Embrace the machine.
Embrace it.
This is a false thing. I am not thinking about alcohol right now. I am just so beautiful, guys. Let's look at this. Look at this beautiful face. Love this, man. So angry, smoke's coming out of my ears. Someone said you ordered a new.
For some reason, my old phone number is saved under Ashley's number.
That's awkward.
Along with
What's
it.
this one? I don't know what this one does. Okay, there's an angel and a demon floating over my head. I like this one. This is kind of cool, though. I like this. I'm a dog. I'm a dog. Aaron hates this one. I hope he watches my blog. FOC Naravar. I will cut you.
I don't get why whenever I send her a text, my name comes up after I send it. Not understand.
It even catches when I blink. Nah. Yeah, I'm just screwing around this blog. This is just my fun time right now. Deal with it.
With me.
With Patrick.
Over here.
Patrick, you're on security.
Am I on lockdown?
Look, we're on it.
I don't want to be on security. I don't like it.
Now there's 4 of us.
Whoa, that's weird. The world can't even handle one of each of us.
I wish it like how to be like. What are you doing out there, me? Nothing. I'm waiting because I want Stacy to Skype me. On top of that, I can also put in my other video software. So I can do stuff like this. I'm gonna be a cat now. No. 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 Does it not?